a day at a mining operation.
Open pit mining is carried out at the surface and represents the majority of mining operations. When deposits are located at greater depths, raw materials are extracted through underground mining.
Everything begins with exploration and research to identify rocks and minerals. First, exploration equipment and satellites are used to detect the presence of resources. Then, drilling is carried out by perforating the ground and extracting core samples, which allow the quantity and quality of the mineral to be analysed. Based on this information, the deposit is modelled to calculate the size of the reserves and plan future extraction.
Subsequently, a technical project is developed, including plans, environmental and social impact studies, and all required safety measures. Before operations can begin, numerous administrative permits must be obtained. Once granted, activity starts. Access roads and tracks are built, extraction fronts and benches are opened, and facilities and processing plants for rocks and minerals are installed. In underground mines, tunneling begins, including the excavation of tunnels, galleries, and access ramps, and the installation of ventilation systems, among others.
The extraction phase can be carried out through controlled drilling and blasting, directly using heavy machinery, or through specific techniques, such as cutting with diamond saws and wire, in the case of ornamental stone. The mining void is progressively expanded, following the natural characteristics of the deposit and the project design.
Once extracted, the material is loaded onto large trucks using loaders or excavators. In some cases, conveyor belts are used. The mineral is then transported to the processing plant, where it is treated through crushing, grinding, washing, concentration, or drying, depending on the type of material.
In the case of ornamental stone, the extracted blocks are sawn into slabs to obtain cladding materials, always under strict quality control carried out in on-site laboratories.
Modern mining has a strong commitment to the environment and society. When extraction ends, restoration begins. The land is reshaped, the original fertile soil is replaced, native species are planted to restore ecosystems and encourage the return of wildlife, and future land use is planned. In many operations, extraction and restoration can be carried out simultaneously in different areas, ensuring faster and more sustainable integration into the surrounding environment. This enables new land uses, ranging from agricultural or forestry areas to recreational, industrial, or even biodiversity-rich spaces. Restoration is a legal and technical requirement that must be considered from the very beginning of the project, ensuring sustainable development.
Mining not only supplies all the essential resources for modern life, with proper planning and restoration, it can also become an example of balance between economic development, job creation, and environmental protection.